I have a rubber mallet here, but I've covered it with a rag just because the rubber has dried out a little bit. I want to be as soft as I can with the blades so I don't mar them up. But I'm finding that using the rubber mallet, if I give it a smack while holding on to the prop hub, that just makes it slide out much easier. I've found this to be much easier than putting it on my workbench over a 2x4, believe it or not. There's something about it being stabilized by the prop shaft. So I give it a little smack on this edge right here, and it comes right out. I've ordered a different pitch set. For me particularly, I'm trying out the 1324s. I just removed 1322s, and as I've raised the pitch number, I've been getting better performance. I've been getting better top end speed, and I haven't had any problems with takeoff because this is a 4-bladed prop, so I got good thrust and takeoff, better cruising speed, and better top speed as I'm increasing the pitch. So I know the max pitch on this 13-inch blade is a 24, so I'm hoping to get even better performance out of the 24s. So you just slide them on. Turn that the right direction. And get them all on, and then as you put the hub cover back on, you might have to smack them in a little bit with the rubber mallet, but then put the hub cover back on, screw it down, and put on your cotter pin and try out your blades. I hope you have success. I'm really enjoying getting improved performance, so pretty easy change out. One more thing, if you're noticing that your hub cover is not sliding into place, you can see the little space between the props blades and the hub face. If you notice it's not sliding into place, you might have to rotate this, spin this. It's got little pegs that's got to go into the right position holes. So now it's in the right position, and then you should be able to screw down your prop nut and line it up with your cotter pin hole. You don't want it to be too snug that you're past that hole, and you don't want it to be too loose that you have front and back play. So if you don't have any front and back play and you can see your cotter pin hole, then you should be good. And one more thing, if you feel like your prop blades have not gone down enough, you can put them on a firm surface and give them a little smack with your rubber mallet right here at the end of the blade, just to make sure you're not seeing too much of a slot there. I've smacked these down pretty firmly, and they're just about flush with the hub surface here. So just to make sure that they were all the way down. So when I'm tightening down my prop nut, I'm not working out any of that loosey-goosey stuff. Also, anytime you have your prop off, look behind the prop washer, thrust washer, whatever you call it, and make sure you don't have any fishing line. Sometimes fiber, spectra braid, or that stuff gets tangled up in there, and that can totally eat your prop seal. And make sure your shaft has some lube on it. All right. You may want to pack up your your blades so you have spares on board, and any tools you need to change those out. You're finding your optimal pitch. So reference, this is a Yamaha 115 horse 2-stroke, years 2000. This is on a 20-foot, well, 19-foot Key West, 1900 Sportsman to be exact. So if you have a similar style hull, this is just a 19-foot bay boat, and it's got a 115 Yamaha short shaft, 20-inch short shaft, and I'm running the 4-blade 1324 blades I'm trying on this next outing. So getting decent performance out of the 1322s. I'm excited about trying out the 1324s.